All right, let's unpack this. We are doing a deep dive today into a platform you might be seeing everywhere, Rambucks.
Yeah, it's all over social media.
And the pitch is, well, it's incredibly tempting. They're saying $100 just for signing up, no investment needed.
Hmm.
And they promise payouts through PayPal, Cash App, you name it. Plus, and this is the kicker, $2 for every single click on your referral link.
It sounds amazing, right? Like the easiest money ever, which is exactly why it's spreading so fast.
Yeah.
But, our goal here is to check this against how things actually work.
Right. Because when you look at legitimate programs, say Rakuten or SoFi, there's a clear business model. You see where the money comes from.
Exactly. They're based on actual commerce or financial actions.
Mhm.
Rambucks, it just doesn't seem to follow those basic economic rules.
And that lack of transparency, that was the first big red flag our sources flagged, wasn't it? Rambucks supposedly just launched early 2025, but there's zero corporate info.
Zero. No founders listed anywhere, no physical address, no registration details we could find. Legitimate companies build on trust and transparency. This feels built on, well, anonymity.
Okay, but beyond the missing company info, you mentioned the economics just don't work. The earning claim itself.
That's the core problem, really. The math is impossible. They claim $2 per click, not per sign-up, not per purchase, per click.
Why is that so impossible? People hear about referral marketing being lucrative.
It can be, but not like this. Think about legitimate get-paid-to sites like Swagbucks. They make you do actual task surveys, watch videos, download apps, and even then you're looking at maybe $1 per hour of your time.
Okay, yeah, that's a huge difference.
Huge. For Rambucks to pay $2 for a simple click, they'd need advertisers paying them, I don't know, hundreds of dollars just for you visiting a page briefly. It makes no sense. They'd be losing money hand over fist.
So walk us through the user experience. You sign up, you see this $100 balance pop up immediately.
Right. Instant gratification. Then your balance shoots up as you go through their task wall. But these tasks are designed for something else entirely.
What kind of tasks are we talking about?
Well, it's usually things like downloading sketchy apps, signing up for endless newsletters, or doing surveys that ask for more and more personal info. Name, email, phone, address, date of birth.
Ah, so it's about data collection.
Exactly.
Yeah.
They push you towards that $100 withdrawal minimum, but when you try to cash out, that's when the rug gets pulled.
What happens then?
Sources report a few outcomes. 1, your account gets banned for some vague violation of terms. 2, suddenly you need to complete more tasks, the goalposts keep moving. Or 3, customer support just goes completely silent.
So you never actually get paid.
Never.
Really?
Because you're not the customer here. Your data is the product. And it's worse than just spam.
How so?
These Rambucks-style sites, we see them linked with others like TickApply, SideWard, using the same templates that are pure data harvesting operations. They package up all those details you entered.
Name, email, date of birth, address.
Right, all of it. Sold off to advertisers, data brokers, spammers. That's the first product.
Okay, that's bad enough. Is there more?
Unfortunately, yes. The real danger, the bigger prize for them, seems to be credential theft.
How does that work?
They're banking on the fact that many people reuse passwords. Think about it. You've just given them your email and a password. If you use that same combination for your PayPal, your bank app, your main email.
Oh, wow. They could try logging into your other more valuable accounts.
Precisely. Why else would they need login credentials if they never intend to pay you? That access is the end goal for them. That's potentially far more valuable than just selling your contact info.
And what about those payment proof screenshots people share online? Those must convince some people.
Yeah, those are easily faked. Our sources did reverse image searches. Those screenshots are identical to ones used by known scams in the past, like Cash Influence and others. They even use stock photos for testimonials.
So it's all smoke and mirrors, no real revenue, just data harvesting and potential credential theft.
Exactly. Unlike Robinhood paying when a referral funds an account and trades, or Rakuten paying when someone shops, Rambucks has no visible means of support. No ads on their site, no premium features, nothing.
Okay, this is serious. So for anyone listening who might have signed up for Rambucks or something similar, what should they do right now?
Immediately change your passwords. Especially if you reuse the one you gave Rambucks on any other site, change it everywhere.
Okay.
Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on absolutely everything important: email, banking, social media. Monitor your bank and credit card statements closely for any weird charges.
Yeah.
And report Rambucks to the
I think it comes down to pattern recognition. Look for that combination. An unbelievably high payout for almost no effort, like that inflated dashboard climbing super fast, coupled with a complete lack of a visible, logical business model. If they promise you the moon but have no rocket ship, no clear way they make money besides using you, then you and your data are the product. Always question how they're making money before you give them anything.